Hi there. Today I'm going to read you the book Garbage Trucks on the Go by Beth, Bence, Reinke. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks are big machines. They pick up trash and take it away. Garbage collectors drive garbage trucks. Some collectors put the trash into the truck. Recycling trucks are a kind of garbage truck. They pick up the items we recycle. What kind of items can we recycle? This garbage truck is a rear loader. The trash goes in the back. A packer blade crushes the trash. It will make room for more. Why do you think garbage trucks need a packer blade? Side loaders have an arm. The arm grabs the bin. It lifts and tilts the bin. It dumps the trash into the truck. This garbage truck has forks. The forks lift the dumpster. They tip and dump the trash out. The garbage truck is full. It drives to a station. Recycled items are sorted. Other trash goes to a landfill. Where else might trash go? Garbage trucks help keep our community clean. Does a garbage truck pick up your trash? Parts of a garbage truck: packer blade, cab, wheels. Picture glossary: forks, 2 long metal spikes on the front of a garbage truck. Landfill, an area where trash is dumped and buried. Packer blade, a metal blade that smashes down garbage. Recycle, to use old items to make new products. Thank you for reading along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. So go ahead and click the subscribe button for more videos.